This video is for the burnt out girlies who are ready to reclaim their peace. I help busy women organize their lives and their wellness plans so they can enjoy a well-nourished life. I want to be real inspirational and dreaming with you today. And our topic is dreaming big and starting small. A very unpopular opinion. You do not have to do it all to be successful. As a recovered overthinker, perfectionist, and a blossoming entrepreneur of 10 years that has turned my pain into my passion, I have tried to go so big for so long. I've stunted my own growth because I would let the goal be so big that it would stunt where I'd be like, oh, it's too big. I can't create 20 videos in 2 hours, something silly like that, right? So when you think too big, it will actually keep you in the same space because your brain will convince you, whoa, that goal is too big for us. Now we know we can't start a whole business overnight, so let's just not do it. We're not listening to that anymore, right? I'm going to give you a tip that has helped me and helped my clients and my students. So when you have a big goal, let's say that is tripling your income or losing an X amount of weight, like 50 pounds, you want to start with your end goal and then work backwards. So if you want to lose 50 pounds, you're not going to do it by tomorrow, right? So, how did you get there? I bet that you changed the way you eat. I bet you moved your body more. I bet you started prioritizing yourself, taking care of yourself on mental, physical, emotional, and spiritual levels. And that is how you're going to get there. You're going to start small. So maybe you're going to start with clean eating for 30 days, then add the fitness in. Or maybe it's a little bit of everything in one day. Walking for 30 minutes, having 2 more cups of water than you would. It does not always have to be these big drawn out actions that will bring you results. The most important step here is that you're gentle with yourself. When we do have lofty goals, it is so easy to get into being hard on yourself if you haven't reached it or it's not going as easy as you planned. Just take it gentle, take one step at a time, just like we're going to start small. We're going to be gentle with ourselves and we're going to love ourselves through the process so that our goal doesn't become something that you hate in the end. And if you need help bouncing back from burnout, I invite you to go check out my workshop and masterclass, Bounce Back from Burnout for Good, so that you can reclaim your peace and enjoy your well-nourished era. Make sure you are following to stay up to date with the 90 days to your well-nourished era. Oh Lord, I'm getting it together.